Hello, I'm Stephanie Moreau with breaking news from the flow. Our top story today: medical device OEMs are buzzing about a revolutionary pump said to have risen from the ashes that is bringing hope to some of the most profound engineering problems to date. Live on site, we have Richard Hill from Fluid Metering, a leading expert on this technology. Rich, can you shed some more light on this situation?
Absolutely, Stephanie. I would be pumped to. Medical OEMs have historically faced issues in their complicated fluidic systems requiring significant maintenance. The FENYX pump, formerly known as the FED, dispenses, flushes, and self-primes, making an all-in-one solution. This eliminates costly downtime while improving performance.
Impressive. How does the FENYX improve performance?
The FENYX has the ability for non-contact dispensing, which leads to unmatched accuracy and precision while eliminating hazardous cross-contamination.
How quickly can people implement this solution worldwide?
Well, you can try it free through Fluid Metering's 90-day development kit program. So, what are you waiting for?
Thanks, Rich. Sounds like the FENYX is saving the world one drop at a time. We've included a link for quick access. We'll see you next time on The Flow.